Hey y'all, it's Bitty Boo, aka Dana, and now we have the Cozy Corner Christmas Challenge hosted by Arlynn at Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Kim at Sweet Daisy Creations. I want to take the time to thank Kim and Arlynn for hosting this challenge. It's kind of made me step outside my box. I appreciate everything they've done. They've helped me start coping with my depression by getting my mind occupied on something else, and it's lifted my spirits by making something pretty. So there was 3 rules. You had to have a ladder or a basket or something to build your cozy corner around. You had to have a bow, and you had to have Christmas accent, or a garland. I'm sorry. Yeah, garland. So, I won't take up too much of your time, I hope. I'll show you what I come up with and explain to you where I got stuff from. I'll be right back, but I'll be behind the camera. Okay, let me take y'all back, maybe. But anyway, here's my cozy corner. Maybe y'all can see. I've got a basket that was my grandmother's that I put some pillows and some buffalo check blankets in. The pillow was gotten for me by a good friend. The snowman and the Santa was gotten for me by a good friend. The teddy bear was got for me by my husband when we were dating, which was over 27 years ago. And I just put a scarf around his neck out of some buffalo plaid. Oh, and we had to have a sign. There was 4 rules. So, let me take you off of here. Maybe I can get you off of here. Whoa, there we go. Alright, there's my bow. I made a 9-loop funky bow. That little mop doll I got at a thrift store. I gave $1 for. That lantern I've had for several years. I just put some fairy lights in it. There's my 'Tis the Season sign. My angels on the stars, they stay up year round. I love stars, I love angels, so I don't care if they do say peace, hope, and joy. They stay up year round. My teddy bear. Bill's there, and Santa, and the little reindeer. My dad made that. Oh my gosh, probably, let's see, he made it for my mom probably 15 or 20 years ago, and since they're moving, Mama gave it to me. Rudolph had to have a new nose because his nose that he had on him was just falling apart, so I just hot glued a little pom-pom. I got this little sign where the treetops glisten from Dollar Tree, and I guess I'll just go ahead and show you this. This is part of our living room. I made that wreath and put my ribbons, and that's a 12-loop funky bow. Let me tell you, my hands were hurting. And there's the quilts. That checkered quilt right there, my mother-in-law made for us. This red, white, and blue one, my husband found it in an old Foot Locker, and according to the they hand stitched the date on it, and the date hand stitched on it was 1898. This is another quilt my mother-in-law made, this one right here. And my garland, I embellished it. I got that garland for $1 with the lights. So I guess I can let y'all see what it looks like with the lights out. Let me, uh-oh, I forgot to turn that on. Just a minute. I'll get my jump turned on. Maybe I won't. Oh, there it is. Let me turn out the lights, and y'all can see my cozy corner at night. But this is what we see at night. There's my mantle, my fake mantle, and the little fake wood. You can't really see the lights on the wreath because of all the ribbon, but it's okay, I know it's there. But anyway, hope I didn't make y'all dizzy. This is my night view. I hope y'all enjoy it. I love you, each and every one. Y'all take care. Arlynn, Kim, thank y'all very much. Y'all have helped me more than you'll ever know. Bye, y'all.